Well, hello guys, this is me, Christian again. Wow, looks like we got now up to 194 defense boosters still left, followed by we have now gotten, well, we did originally get 2 attack boosters, but we used one already, so here we are. We're on our one more last one of the type, well, attack ones for now. And also, here we might as well get going in our 2,230 free-for-all match, guys. So yeah, if any of you guys have not subscribed to my channel or my girlfriend's channel, please consider doing so. It will still help us indeed a lot. And yeah. Now, potentially the reason why I chose specifically to use the Titan with the shotgun weapons, aka the Grom and Squall, right? Specifically, I have Lunar weapons from the Lunar New Year's. So I figured I'd put that into handy good use, guys, and yeah. So, moments to be had through. Oh, okay, we're already halfway for our Titan meter bar. Pretty good, actually. But basically, my goal is to try to unlock that Titan as soon as possible. And when I possibly do, guys, ooh, wouldn't that be good news? Because then we're going to test out, instead of the weapons I normally use for the Titan, which is kind of like Tempest. But no. We're going to use shotguns. We're going to use the Shotgun Titan. I bet, if I'm not sadly mistaken, I did mainly put that on something similar like that on my title for the YouTube video, guys. I did something like that. You'll see it. If you click on the title, I mean, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna come for some desperate revenge now. Just to get my hands on you players. Whoa, we got this first place guy right here that tried to kill me an earlier ago. Stole my first even too. Time for desperate revenge. Hopefully the kill will get taken any second. Worth it. Next to Neri a few seconds later. And I bet you're testing out that skirmish mode as of right now, guys. There's like so many ways to succeed in that. I wonder how everybody will be dragging with their the newest spear weapons in the game. Like those Caprays with the spears, they're like monsters in that game. Don't get me wrong, I got a Capri myself, which I'm not using yet. They have one of the infinity shots, which is the Magna weapons, but another infinity weapons would be the spear weapons, which I'm considering that's the light weapons. Because I know for a matter of fact that Magna weapons are considered the light weapons, so the spears must be also considered light as well. Yeah, like, if everything's just the way it is. Yep, just easy mode. Oh, I'm realizing I got my Titan already active, and didn't I? Yeah, I went right into the Scarrow spot. Whoopsies. Well, I'm just about to get destroyed like now, as you can see. Now, I gotta warn you guys, my Titan with these weapons here, the Lunar Grom, the Lunar Squall, and the normal Squall weapon, all those weapons, as you can see right now, trust me, they're not fully upgraded, but eventually, when I get enough Titan playing them, hopefully within less than a month, I'll be able to get this maxed out. In fact, according to what we have here, we have both the Squall weapons, actually, on level 6, as we know. And as for the Lunar Grom, the Alpha shotgun weapon, you may think it's, yeah. If many of you guessed it, it was level 6. Yeah, that would be seen optional, but no. The actual level for it is level 11 as of right now. And I had 3 just around, if you can recall, in one of my previous videos, which was the exclusive drones as of today, we had around 320 Titan Platinum, which was quite a lot, but not the most we've collected. We've had like around over 1,000 Titan Platinum before. So this is a good addition to good setups and everything like that. Look at how much domination we put into those pesky weapons here. Shotguns are mainly a major source of powerful weapons. Like, you know, like, that is a beast. And because of the beast weapons, 4 KOs just went more onto my scoreboard this round. That is somewhat fantastic. I don't know, can we get a whole entire domination? Like, I mean, like, it'd be a real major something if we get up to 20 kills, considering that 5 enemies are still around. And normally, as you already noticed, we'd be seeing like around 3 or 2 players, but nope. This is one of the lucky rounds, I guess. And you can't forget that mostly, as we noticed, just previously before, yeah. When back, I would say a few months ago, when we got that domination of like 18 kills, that was one of my bestest scores of all times, and I'm trying to beat that now. But back then, that was only like when there wasn't that many powerful weapons at the time. And now that there's newer robots and newer weapons, now there's more of a likable chance of stronger robots and stronger weapons itself too, that would mean. So even though we are succeeding right now, I can tell you, we're probably not going to do our best job with doing the best success on getting, yeah. Like, for example, that kill just got you token, all that stuff. Hold up now, you know, we gotta be careful here. The Titan's really coming through. There's a Scorpion right behind that Capri bot. Dear, no surprise there. At least he wasn't coming after me, so bravo on that one. Yes, I guess I'm done for. Consistent effect. He's now actually going after the behemoth bot. And he got majorly screwed up big time. Yeah, no, can do. Dear, 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 no. Why? I can't even seem to score some stupid luck on these players right now. How majorly festive can all these low-level players be? Why this stupid monster, the Titan Murderance, can't take on any more like this? GG's, I guess, guys. What can I say now? Uh-oh, ouch, I'm about to be finished off now. America, Capri is gone, which is also known as freedom. There it is. We're just about to percently wrap up this entire round. That's just it. Just like that, folks. Seriously now, it's only like 4 seconds left. 4 seconds. It just ends a lot more earlier than it should seem to be. Any more times. Okay, wrapping it up there now. 3.3 million. We got around, some got around 5 million, 4 million. Wow, this was crazy intense. Stop shooting me. Oh, wow, good job. Anyways, Christian signing off. Bye-bye, guys.